Introducing Sirena, the total home cleaning system. From its unique stylish look to its high-quality ABS construction, Sirena is designed to clean like no other system. That's because Sirena is not just another vacuum cleaner. What makes Sirena different? The answer is as clear as water. Sirena harnesses the power of nature to eliminate airborne dust, embedded dirt and carpets, pet hair, dust mites, household odors, smoke. It even picks up water. Sirena comes with an array of features, whether you're aromatizing the air, vacuuming carpets, cleaning hard floors, picking up water, reaching high areas, or even inflating an air mattress. Sirena will get the job done every time. Sirena can replace all your cleaning tools. However, all your cleaning tools will never replace Sirena. Traditional vacuums lose efficiency quickly. Dirt and dust that pass through the bag or filters reduces the airflow. Reduced airflow means less cleaning ability. That's more work for you. Here's the unhealthy part. Bacteria and germs grow in dark, warm, filthy places. And every time you turn on or even dump the vacuum, pollutants are transferred into the air you breathe. Switching from one brand to another brand doesn't help. They all work the same way. Sirena has solved the problem. Like nature, Sirena uses water to trap the dirt. There are no bags. Separator technology allows the air to flow through the water non-stop. Sirena gives you 100% suction, 100% airflow, 100% cleaning efficiency all the time.